Hello, my dear students. This question talks about the quadratic function, and this is a common question in the SAT exams. When you have the equation written with a strange letter like k, so here our task is to get the value of k, knowing that the equation has no real solutions. In this kind of questions, we need to remember that discriminant. The discriminant is t, is named t, equals b squared minus 4ac. And this is something that helps us to know which type of solutions we have and how many of these solutions are available. So we have here three cases. If b squared minus 4ac, which is that discriminant, was positive number, then we have two real solutions. And in this case, the graph is something like this, which intersects the x-axis in 2 points, which are the solutions or the roots of the equation. In the second case, if the result of calculating the discriminant was negative, we have two imaginary solutions, or you can say no real solutions. Two imaginary, the type of the solutions are imaginary, but no real ones. So we can say no real, because most of the questions ask about the real solutions, not anything else. And in this case, the graph is something like this. It doesn't intersect the x-axis in any of the points. This is why we have no solution. And then the third case, when the discriminant's value is equal to 0. In this case, we have one repeat solution or one real solution. And in this case, the graph is something like this. Intersects the x-axis in only 1 point. And this point is only the one solution, which is the point of intersection of the line of x, of the x-axis, which is y equals 0, and the equation itself. So how to check this one? We can consider a as 1, because here we have 1. A is the number that comes beside x squared, or the coefficient of x squared. This is called a. And b here is negative 14. Take care. Be careful, you have to take the negative with you. So b is equal to negative 14. And c in this case is equal to k. So now we can check this b squared minus 4ac. B squared here is negative 14 squared. Don't write squared like this. You have to put that squared sign above the whole parentheses. Minus 4ac. And a here is 1, and c is k. But the question gives you an information. It says the equation has no real solutions. This means this value is no real solution, means negative. Negative means it's less than 0. This piece of information it gives us here helps us to create an inequality. So write less than 0. Negative 14 all squared is 196 minus 4 times 1 times k means 4k. And all of this is less than 0. You can just move this negative 4k, or just move the 196. So we have got here negative 4k is less than negative 196. Then we can divide by negative 4 in both of the sides. But when you divide by a negative sign, we need to change the direction of inequality. So we have k is greater than 49. If you divide this number by negative, the negative cancels in the other negative, and then 49 is answered. But the question here, this value is not the value of k. K is greater than 49. So the question here says k is greater than n. So if you compare this inequality with yours, k is greater than n. Now n is equal to 49, because the question says find the value of n, and now the answer is n is equal to 49. Or you can say that this is your answer of the question. I hope you get the idea of the question. See you later in the next problem. Thank you very much. Bye.